What is going on, guys? So today we're going to change things up just a little bit. Instead of a crawl video, I'm going to do a little bit, not quite a full-on tutorial on these things. I think Mofo actually has done it, but I got the Islander kit. Heck yeah. So we are going to do some wrenching and put these in Bigfoot. Bigfoot is pretty light. It's got a couple of metal parts on it. He's got a metal battery tray. He's got a metal ESC tray. And I think that's about it. Other than that, he's just got aluminum beadlock wheels from, I think they're RC four-wheel drive. Running the Injora, rock terrain MT tires, the ones that look like the life-size scale version of the Super Swamper TSLs. That's what I like to call them. But yeah, so we are going to install these. I am going to use the DDP rims, so I do not have the brass outer beadlock ring. They literally just get held together by the 6 center nuts, screws, whatever. And then yeah, I also got sent to me from Jim. He is an awesome guy. A new torque beast. Hell yeah. So that is going to be going in a truck here really quick. But for today, we're just going to focus on the wheels, get them installed. So yeah, again, it's not going to be a tutorial, but I'm just going to put them together in front of your guys' eyes. So heck yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we go, and we have Jim over here on the side bench. Say hi, Jim.
What's going on, everybody? How you doing tonight?
Yes, when you guys watch this, it will be morning, but right now it is nighttime. It is 9:30 at night. So this is our ritual. We usually get on the phone and we usually chat it up at night. So
that's that DDP piece.
Yeah.
The extra.
Yeah. So like I said in the beginning of this video, guys, I'm using the DDPs and not, what was the other one?
Super.
The super DDPs. These are the normal DDPs. And to get the full weight, max weight on your wheel, you are going to want to use the plus 6 hex with what rim?
You can use any, the DDP or the UPW or
the UPWs are the ones I think. And so the UPWs are the ones that you can put the outer beadlock ring on. But I decided for the look of Bigfoot, I'm going with just the DDPs. So yeah, and you have to make sure that with the standard DDPs, not the super DDPs, but the normal DDPs, these halves are different. One is skinnier than the other. So you got to make sure you don't pair up 2 skinnies together, because then that will clamp your tire too tight and you cut the bead right off your tire, which I have done before in the past. So don't do what I did. Make sure you keep track on which is which. And doing it this way, you can mount your hex on either side to give you different offset. So yeah, keep that in mind. So here we go. So with this Islander kit, you will get a wider inner ring with an inner spacer, which spaces those 2 halves apart. And then he also gives you new hardware. So, and you are going to want to use the hardware that comes with the Islander kit to mount your hex and everything together. Heck yeah, this is going to be freaking stinking sweet. So just this ring is 26.2 grams. So I opted to go with the +3 wideners, widener hex from Mofo, because this truck doesn't have any wideners on it. So I figure by widening the tire out and going with a +3, it's basically probably going to be close to a +5 widener. So, but don't quote me on that. I'm just assuming it's going to be pretty close to that. And of course that could change on which side you mount this hex on, because one is deeper than the other. So I'm going to mount it to the deeper side just because I do want to keep it kind of narrow, because the body is super narrow already. So yeah. And these screws are a 5mm screw, so, or 1.5mm screw. Yep. Oh man, I done screwed up already. So because there's a different number of larger holes compared to the 6 bolt holes, you gotta pay attention to where you line them everything up, because you can line them up like I just did. So yeah. So there we go, we got 2 screws in, and now we're just gonna go around, make sure that bead is properly set so you don't get all kinds of wobbliness, and it's looking pretty good. All nice and even. Heck yeah, guys, look at how wide that tire is now. It's not too much wider, but it is significantly wider.
Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it that way for sure.
Yeah.
Side by side.
And holy cow, that weight is just next level. That is awesome. Like, that's like literally the only upgrade you need to do. Get these rims, motor, servo, boom, done. Links, maybe some links. Yeah.
Steering link, yeah.
That is just too freaking sweet. Hell yeah. And then you just plop it right on the truck. Bam. Oh. All right, I'm not going to show you guys right now, but that is a killer look for this truck. All right, guys, I'm going to do 2 more and then come back and do the last one with you. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we are on the last tire and wheel. So this is what I figured out now that I've done 3 of these. This is the first time I've installed this kit, this Islander kit from Mofo. So what I did is I took and I lined up all my pieces right here on the bench before I put them in the tire. and then just pick them up and place them side by side to each other, and then just mark the top hole. So when you put them in the tire, you can see which hole is supposed to go where. So this one, you obviously gotta flip upside down because, yeah, just like that. And when you mark them like I did, if you do it like I did, make sure you mark it on the inside of the rim, so once it's together, you don't see it. Hey Jim, what time is it?
Stone Jim time again here.
Ta-da! And now just go back, work around, tighten everything up properly. But don't over tight, because this freaking hex back here is brass and it will strip out fairly easy. So there we go, guys. Check that out. Pretty freaking stinking sweet. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so now let's put them on the truck. Heck yeah, guys. Look at that freaking awesomeness.
Let's see. Yeah, that looks about. Let's profile. Let's see the side. Yeah, that looks right.
Yeah, look at that. Heck yeah, guys. And this guy is going to be getting a makeover. I'm going to redo the body of this because it's been beat to crap and put away wet. That is just too freaking cool. So, now, for comparison, let me grab jack-o'-lantern. We'll take one of these tires off and we shall compare it. So this is the exact same tire on a standard Endura wheel. Look at the difference. There definitely is a difference. You can see the sidewall kind of balloons out a little bit more, as this one is kind of sucked in tight, kind of giving it a concave kind of look. These ones, see the difference?
Sidewall's flat.
Yeah, totally freaking cool. And as far as overall height goes, I don't think it changed it that much. No.
Did it? No. No, it didn't lose any. Good.
No, very, very little. Very little. So, heck yeah, guys. Frickin' sweet. Okay, guys. So, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. And hopefully, you guys have a good rest of the weekend. And we'll see you tomorrow for Follow the Leader Sunday. Heck yeah, guys. Take it easy. Oh, and don't forget, today I'm actually currently at Walters RC Park for the Gauntlet. So I am planning on still doing a crawl session. It's probably, I'm going to go live, and we are just going to have a live stream of what is going on at Walters. So stay tuned for that, and I will make an announcement probably sometime on Friday. Once I figure out the schedule of everything, I'll post up a little short telling you guys what the schedule is for the weekend and when I plan on going live on Saturday. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to go and buy your oh, you know what? By the time you see this video, I had already put up a reminder. So disregard everything I just said. Oh, shit. But don't forget to go and buy your raffle ticket. Go to the community tab on my channel. Find my Venmo link. $5 a ticket. And yes, I'm going to start calling this the Enjora truck, because this is the body that I'm going to use for it. And it's an Enjora body. So it's going to be everything Enjora. So anyway, guys, we will see you later.